Optimize B2B lead management process. Tips and AI tools. Anybiz. Have you ever wondered what sets successful businesses apart in today's fast-paced corporate world? One key factor is their management of leads, their most valuable asset. But what exactly is B2B lead management, and why is it so crucial? B2B lead management involves strategically handling potential business customers, guiding them through the sales journey, and focusing on those with real potential. It's essential for companies with complex products or services, automating tasks, boosting efficiency, increasing conversion rates, and fostering long-term customer loyalty. Lead management moves potential clients from interest to purchase through lead generation, nurturing, qualification, distribution to sales teams, and conversion. This process drives conversions and fosters business growth and customer loyalty. Lead generation attracts prospects through activities like content marketing and social media campaigns, aiming to fill the sales funnel with potential leads. Lead management then nurtures, qualifies, distributes, and converts these leads efficiently to maximize sales. Effective lead management involves identifying ideal clients, capturing their information, assessing engagement levels, customizing communication, prioritizing follow-up based on lead scoring, and seamlessly transitioning qualified leads to the sales team for efficient closing. To optimize lead management, define ideal customer profiles, simplify capture processes, track interactions closely, personalize nurturing, refine scoring criteria regularly, and ensure smooth handoffs to sales teams. AI revolutionizes lead management by automating tasks like scoring and nurturing, leveraging big data for insights, predicting high-value prospects, and optimizing strategies in competitive markets. Anybiz uses AI to automate B2B lead management, optimizing engagement and personalizing interactions for efficient conversion. Integrated with CRM systems, it enhances business efficiency and effectiveness. Ready to elevate your B2B lead management? Try Anybiz free for 7 days and discover how our AI-driven platform can revolutionize your lead generation. No commitments, just a week to explore advanced features and improve how you engage potential clients. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.